Erin here with Erin Makes. Today I have two special guest stars, Olivia and Jordan, and today we're going to be making little mini pizzas for lunch today, so we're excited.
Yay!
Yay!
So we're doing a very chill bake today, and I will show our ingredients. We have this vodka sauce for our sauce. And for the crust, we will be using the Grands Pillsbury flaky layer. Should be good. And we are going to use the New York State yellow cheddar cheese.
Great, and we're gonna grate it too.
And we're gonna grate it
with our new grater zester that Olivia bought for the three of us. So
indeed.
We're gonna preheat the oven first to an I don't know, whatever, 375.
Peel it.
Yeah, peel it.
Okay. You bang it.
Yeah, you bang. Slam it.
Harder.
Hey.
Hey.
That's-
Nice.
There you go.
Sounds good.
Wow.
Look how grand those are.
We're gonna use our grater zester for the first time.
We got some
Actually-
really good high quality cheese. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Grating it up. Oh yeah.
Oh, actually that works so well.
It does. Mountain of cheese for our pizza. Give it a good tap
Yeah.
when you need to.
Look at these techniques we're using.
technique. It's gonna be very.
Boy, you're doing a great job.
Oh, thank you. A great job. A grater.
It's like Lunchables.
Yes,
You ever
exactly.
make those Lunchable pizzas?
Yes. Love those.
Lunchable pizzas.
I feel like a Lunchable pizza in an air fryer would really be good.
Ooh.
You know?
That sounds good. And then we have our pan set up here with our parchment. We have this pre-cut parchment, which helps with our cooking, makes it a little quicker. And I think we're gonna roll out these flaky Grands and put some cheese in the crust, like we're Domino's or something, and then we'll set up the
Wait,
the
we're doing a
rest.
stuffed crust?
Yeah, we're gonna do a
Stuff
stuffed
the
crust.
Oh, yeah.
We're finding out the recipe as we
Doing
go.
it live.
Because we're chefs.
Yeah.
You feel good about this,
I
chefs?
feel
Seems
great.
pretty good.
Okay.
I
Looks
think that's,
great.
yeah. Can always.
Cool. We can always grate more. I really also have a hankering to do focaccia again one of these days because we've made it before. It turned out really well. We've done a savory and a sweet, but I think we could really step up our focaccia game maybe.
I think we definitely could. We could actually use bread flour this time and make it real. So
Yeah.
Bet.
maybe that'll be the next bake.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna wipe down the counter first before we put the Pillsbury dough on there.
Sanitation first. Uh-oh. It's fine. No one needs to know our health ratings.
This is just for us to eat, by the way. This is nothing.
This is like a New York City B.
Yeah.
B plus. B plus.
B plus. So then we're gonna sprinkle some flour.
feel
Chef's
like
kiss.
Putting some hot honey on these pizzas. at
We
the
just
end.
bought new hot honey too.
Oh.
So normally when I'm rolling anything out, we usually do a little kind of flour bowl on the side so that you can constantly add more flour as needed to the rolling pin or to the table. The flour keeps the dough from sticking to either. Very helpful.
Oh no, I didn't put enough flour on.
Oh,
It's stuck.
No.
Oh no, whatever will we
Chef.
do, chef?
Oh no. Well, we're gonna roll with it.
Haha. Quote of the day.
Quarter of the day. You're thinking like little pizza?
Yeah, they'll
Mini
be like
pizzas?
the same size, but we'll just like
Cute.
stuff the crust.
What do you think about this size?
I think that looks great.
Okay.
Technique.
Look at this
Technique.
technique. And then we can give it a little toss. I don't know if that does that actually do anything?
It's supposed to distribute the weight.
Okay.
Mamma mia. Oh dear. It's all good. It's all good.
Stuff the crust, I guess. Yeah.
I know, that was just the normal cheese.
Just the normal cheese.
Yeah.
It's like almost like hard to like pick it up because it's so
It's so fluffy.
fluffy. Okay, so we'll try and do. Look at that.
Little pockets of happiness.
Little pockets.
It's gonna be.
Is it gonna be even?
So good.
Absolutely not.
No, we're rustic.
But is it going to be
around
good? Absolutely, maybe.
here.
And
It's going to be
then
100% good. 50% of the time.
What we'll do is we'll add a little bit.
A good motto for us.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you say? 100% good.
50% is fine.
You betcha.
We have a really, solid belief in ourselves.
And then we'll add a little bit
Sometimes.
of water, a little bit of water there to like kind of get it to reattach to the dough so it's not too dry.
It's reminding me a little bit of like the Totino's pizza rolls.
Yeah. We have those too.
Oh my god.
Do we actually have those?
Yeah, we have a sealed bag.
Ooh. Okay, back
Don't
up.
tempt me with a good time.
Yeah.
Just
Back
saying,
up.
if these
Those
go
are my
sideways,
childhood.
Yeah.
we do have a plan B.
Okay, fab. I love that. This is perfect, Erin.
Looks so cute.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, guys.
I love it.
Stop.
Gosh.
Don't hype me up. Okay.
We'll never need to order pizza again.
Thingy for that.
It's right here. Would you look at that? It showed
Look
up.
at that.
We have this too.
We don't need to do any like fork marks in the.
We can, you know what? We
don't
should
know.
probably try some.
We should.
But we're just gonna paint this. Adds a little
Crisp on
bit.
the top.
Domino's Pizza. Right here.
Sponsor.
Sponsored. Okay. Okay, Olivia's gonna add the vodka sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Sauce it up.
Mm-hmm. Wait,
Wow.
Covering it. I don't know how much we really even need. Do you think that's enough?
It's like tiny spoonfuls.
So small.
Yeah. That's probably enough, honestly. Pretty good.
I do too.
They are.
Okay, great. And we're done.
We pop it on the pan.
Yeah, let's pop it on the pan. Little transfer here.
Mm-hmm.
And
Pizza
we'll just
number
repeat.
one.
Repeat.
Let's see if we can crank these out a little bit.
Okay. Let's crank.
Let's crank.
Chef, I'm sorry.
I need more cheese.
Cheese, chef's dad.
Cheese, chef.
Yes. Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
I love it.
I'm excited to eat these.
Me
I
too.
feel like they're gonna be really good.
I agree.
They are going to be good. I got a couple more here.
This one's almost done. Oh yeah.
Look at that one.
Feeling good about
Nice.
That
that's-
one's great.
Working.
Excited to eat.
Yeah, right. Picture that with a Kodak.
We just went to the Pitbull concert, so
Yeah.
and it was excellent.
So
Oh, yeah.
Highly recommend. Yeah, he builds schools and he like talked about it and I love that.
Seems like a really good person.
Yeah. Yeah, we had vodka sauce already, so we thought we'd use it, but we could also do tomato sauce. And I've also heard recently that Olivia has a very famous bolognese sauce
I do
Yes.
indeed.
that she
It
can make
is
for
A
us.
signature.
So,
There could be a link in the description.
yeah,
be.
there could be a
We'll
link to
see.
in the description to the recipe, but we'll see if chef allows it.
Voila.
And now we're going to pop them in the oven for an undisclosed amount of time.
Just vibes. We just vibe.
Chill baking is only
Chill
baking
bakes.
vibes.
Chill bakes
Yeah.
only.
Gorgeous.
Woo!
Great, and we'll set the timer for, I don't know, 10 minutes. Thank you, Chef Jordan.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you, Chef. Nice and clean. And then for toppers, we have our chili onion from Trader Joe's. And then we have Mike's Hot Honey, which took us multiple grocery stores to go to and find, but we got one.
Best plates ever.
Yeah, real.
A little edge.
Yeah. In case people want to dip there. I know.
I love that. Oh my gosh, they look so good.
Ah.
Woo!
And we're starting to get a little bit of browning on the crust, which is good. It's bubbling a little bit. Maybe another minute or two.
Yeah.
Okay.
So far, 12 minutes, we think, for this bake.
They look pretty good.
I think they're kind of crushing.
Fabulous, you guys. Mouth watering.
I think we did a pretty good job.
Time
I
to
think
eat.
so.
What do you think?
Time to eat.
Time to eat.
Yeah. we should scoop a second one for everybody.
I think we're gonna.
Yeah,
want
we're
a second
definitely
one.
gonna need 2. I feel it.
We're gonna need 2 right away.
I'm gonna go for 2.
Going for 2.
Going for 2.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hooray. Pizza.
Wait, does anyone want a sprinkle of
Oh, oregano. Yeah.
We did a nice job, team.
tasty?
We
Like,
did it. We did it.
We did that.
It's delish. Perfect. Okay, last thing, we're gonna rank this out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 9.
I think I'm also gonna give it a 9. We could customize them a little, but we got the basics down, and it's really delicious.
I'm gonna give it an 8.5 because I think it's hard to standardize the pizza, but we can add some more to it. But it was fun to do.
12 minutes, stuffed crust, Pillsbury Grand, pizza dough on what do we have it on? 375?
350.
350. Don't forget to like and subscribe for
Like
more
and subscribe.
content.
Drop in the comments if you tried this. Do it.
Yeah.
Let us know.
And we'll probably make focaccia next time.
Yeah.
Or a bolognese if Olivia will give us her recipe. So
We'll
stay
see.
tuned.
Time will tell.
Yeah.